Everyone in the world wants to be a superhero. I mean, who wouldn't want to be faster than a speeding bullet? Or have superhuman strength, or better yet, be able to fly and have X-ray vision? Psh, you say. This is just stuff dreamt up in comic books and cartoons, you say? Oh ye of little faith. What if I told you that some of these powers may well be within our reach? Once you're done with this video, I guarantee that you will be picking your wide open jaws right up off the floor. Before we get ahead of ourselves, be like the Hulk and smash that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our curious content. And now here are 5 superpowers that may actually be possible for humans to wield. Number 5, super fast healing and regeneration. Imagine healing from a gaping chest wound in seconds, or walking through a forest fire without a single burn. Imagine regenerating organs and healing life-threatening injuries in mere moments. I know exactly which superhero came to your mind. Yep, I'm talking about regenerating, just like our favorite X-Man, Wolverine, whose powers were on full display in the blockbuster hit Deadpool and Wolverine. Deadpool also has healing powers just like Wolverine, stolen from Wolverine. But you get the point. Anyway, getting back on track. How do regular humans like you or me get to be Weapon X badasses like the popular 3-clawed mutant? Well, researchers at Harvard are getting close to a solution. After studying 3-banded panther worms, scientists believe that by triggering a section of their DNA called junk DNA, which is DNA that is considered useless or passive, these worms could regrow entire sections of their limbs. Scientists believe that human beings have their very own junk DNA that makes up nearly 90% of the human genome. And they are so very close to replicating the panther worm process in humans that we should have our very own Wolverine in the very foreseeable future. Number 4, impervious to pain. Most superheroes are impervious to pain. Superman laughs as bullets bounce off his skin, while Thor just shrugs off rocket attacks. And at first glance, this would seem like a great superpower to have, but reality is a little different. Immunity to pain is a condition that is present among humans. It exists in an extremely rare condition called congenital insensitivity to pain. A person with this condition does not feel pain, like ever, which means they can push themselves to the absolute limit, run farther, swim deeper, survive in hostile conditions which would make normal people break. They can take a hit from Mike Tyson and not even flinch. They can be superhuman athletes that can set unbelievable records. It wouldn't be too crazy to call them the next step of human evolution. They can literally be super soldiers like Captain America. Doesn't that sound amazing? Now, it might sound like a sweet deal, but sadly it isn't. Okay, I know that makes me sound like a party pooper, but hear me out. Humans need to feel pain. It's what keeps us safe. Without pain, we won't know when to take our hand off a burning stove, or we might never know if we've been injured till it's too late. Imagine walking around with 3 broken ribs and internal bleeding and not knowing because you don't feel pain till your lungs pool inside your guts. Gnarly, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. So remember, pain is good. Number 3, weather manipulation. Now, when I think of weather manipulation, the only superhero that comes to mind is the badass goddess, the A-lister among X-Men, Storm herself. Now, she can bring a typhoon down at a moment's notice or cover Texas in winter frost in the blink of an eye. And to be honest, humans are still a way off from imitating Storm's badass superpowers. But we are getting closer. Scientists have developed a technique to manipulate the weather called cloud seeding. Using cloud seeding, humans can increase rain, disperse clouds and fog, and even suppress hail. Cloud seeding is still considered to be in its infancy, so we can only imagine what it truly becomes capable of. Number 2, Iron Man's suit. Who among us hasn't dreamed of donning Iron Man's infamous Mark Series armor? And now, thanks to scientists in the US, that dream is all the more closer to reality. Berkeley Bionics and Lockheed Martin's Human Universal Load Carrier, HULC, exoskeletons would do for you and me what the Mark I did for Tony Stark. Just like Iron Man's armor, the HULC does not require a joystick or manual control. The device can sense the user's intended movements and adapt and react accordingly. Just imagine an insane mecha suit of our very own. Number 1, invisibility. The one superpower that everyone wants, even more than the power of flight. Ironically, this power is mostly confined to supervillains rather than heroes. Hey now, I'm not judging. Who among us hasn't wanted to turn invisible now and again? Disappear from prying eyes. I get it, I do. And so do scientists at the University of Rochester, who have developed a way to turn an object invisible by using an array of lenses arranged in a unique way. And though they have been successful in making stationary objects invisible, scientists are still trying to crack the enigma of making objects invisible in motion. As it stands, this research is showing a lot of promise. I don't know about you, but I can't wait till I have my very own cloak of invisibility like Harry Potter. So that was our list. Which superpower is your favorite? Sound off in the comments below, pound that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to YouCurious for more super videos.